I just got my new car and I really all the way back. Like, why would they make this? I can't even see the road from here. Like, why would they make it go all the way back? Child. Huh? Nowhere. We about to drive to Columbus.
Yeah. This right here, I won't drink it. Imperial Red Ale.
Child. Well, the cops are coming. The military's not for me at all. So I just got my license and I will be driving, I don't know. Where should we drive to? Pops, I'm about to go to Beyonce's house.
Yeah, Beyonce probably got 2 or 3 houses.
Well.
This man about ugly as hell, ain't he?
Hop in, we're going to Beyonce's house. Please, it's gonna kick me out. It's just hot. So, I guess we're gonna, I just don't understand how hot it is. Hey Alexa, what's the temperature? Okay. She said 200 degrees. We're dying. I'm gonna get a 10. We're about to try to Chick-fil-A. Psych, you thought I was about to try to Chick-fil-A. Chad, I'm still going to Chick-fil-A. Well, I'll take a break. I'll be right back. I'm gonna eat. Okay. Be back. So I was driving, but I got kicked out of my car. My car is currently being repoed. But it's okay, because I have Donatos. If you know, you know. But, what did I do to get my car repoed?
What?
What did I do? What did I do to get my car repoed?
Repoed?
Yes.
They paid the bill.
Right. I didn't pay that bill. I thought I did. Guess not. So my neighbors are probably looking at me like, why is this little boy walking around in his front yard with a box of pizza talking to his cellular device? Well, you know what I have to say about that? I don't know. I don't know why. Good. If y'all know what Donatos is, I think that's an Ohio thing. I don't know. But if you know what Donatos is, if you never had it, you should go ahead and try it. Because if you know, you know. So there's my car being driven away because I guess I didn't pay that bill. Wow, look at it go. Well, all these flies. Nope, you're not getting my pizza. Not today. Ew, so disgusting. But we're about to go. I don't know what else I'm about to do. Probably, I don't know. I don't know. You know, oh, do you know what the woe is? You know how to do the woe? Mm-hmm. You did that.
Remember when you went to the Kings Island last year?
Oh, gosh. That Diamondback. For you who don't know where the Diamondback is,